Hi again, this is Dad That Reads. Today we're going to do I'm a Monster Truck. It's a little golden book by Dennis R. Shelley, illustrated by Bob Stake. I smash, I bash, crash. I love the sound of breaking glass, 'cause I am a monster truck. I was made to make mud fly. I may slide, but I never slip. My tall tires grab the dirt. As I take tight twists and extreme turns, when I race to win. Vroom! And I win every time. But racing isn't everything. I'm gargantuan and graceful. The freestyle event is where I show off my smooth moves. But heck, I am a monster truck, and I love to crush cars under my big wheels. Crunch! The more I crunch them, the louder my fans cheer. Uh-oh, looks like Carcharodontosaurus wants my leftovers. He's a monster machine that eats cars and breathes fire. Don't worry, monster trucks aren't afraid of anything. I'll put this mechanical menace back in his cage. It's time for a break. Let's watch the motorcycles take the air. They criss and they cross, but they don't crash. And they do it all without a net. Where's my buddy Billy Rex? He and his crew are part of the Demolition Derby. They smash, bash, and crash each other until there's only one car left in the mud. But don't worry, they love it. When the show's over, we love to take one last lap for the crowd. Then it's lights out. Time for this monster truck to stop his roaring. And start the snoring. All the monster trucks go to bed. Me personally, my favorite team, Team Gravedigger. I love Team Gravedigger. It's great. So hopefully you enjoy monster trucks as much as I do. Do I have one? No. Just got Team Zombie. Team Gravedigger's around here somewhere though. So my wife loves Zombie.